Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. This is HP DeskJet 2721A. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multi-task, 3-in-1, in the sense you can copy, scan, and print from this printer. I'm going to show you how to scan a document from this printer, okay, using a mobile device. This printer is connected to my mobile device and it's connected to the CERN network. Okay, check my video, you see how we connected this printer to CERN to Wi-Fi network. What I want to do is to show you how to scan a document. We're going to scan this document. To scan the document, open up the scanner, stick the document you want to scan face down, close it. Now go to the app, HP Smart App, select printer scanner. Okay, and the printer scanner is ready. Now the next thing you need to do is you need to select the paper size, page size. If you are using different paper, then you need to select, if you are using letter, 5x7, 4x6, 3.5 by 5, okay, or A4, then you need to select. So what we selected now is A4 paper. Okay, then you go back. Source is glass scanner. Resolution, select resolution. The maximum you can do resolution is 300 dpi with mobile phone. At the moment it's in 200 dpi. Okay, and color, you can select color or black. At the moment it's in color. Okay, then select, go back again, select start scan. Now this document is scanning. Okay, you can see the document to scan. Now the next you need to do is select next. If you're happy with it, then you select next. Okay, and now if you want to scan another document, to scan the second document, open up the scanner, remove this, and stick the second document you want to scan on top of the scanner, close it. Okay, now go to the app, select add on top, add. Okay, do the same thing, select scan. I also want to mention, if you want to scan photo, then you need to select photo. If you want to scan document, you need to select document. So we are scanning document. Okay, select scan. Here we go. So the second document we scan is here. Okay, so you can also make sure that it's full. Okay, if you have it auto, you can make sure that it's full. Okay, once you are ready, select next. Okay, and this is the first and second document we scan. So this is the document we scan. Now if you want to print this document out, you can also print it out. You can also share this document, you can save. So many things you can do with this document. Okay, select print to print it out. Okay, now you select how many copies, page range, color, orientation. If you want more, select more setting, select quality and scaling, then go back, select print. This is the first one. This is the second one. Okay, so this is the document we scan, printed it out. Now, and it will also show you on the app that our printing job is on the way. Okay, start saving, not now. Okay, so the next thing to do is this document. Ideally, when you scan the document, you need to save it, okay, for you to be able to print it. So now, because we didn't save this document, so we'll scan it again. Select scan. Okay, make sure you have it full. Okay, select next. Okay, and remove this document. Stick the second one you want to scan on top. Close it. Select add. Scan again. Okay, select full, click next. Okay, this is the first and second one. So we printed this document out. What I want to show you is to save this document, select save. Okay, you save this document, you can have you can add your name or anything you like to be able to remember. Click save, and this document now is saved. Okay, now the next thing I want to show you is to share this document, okay, via email. Select share. Okay, select share. Also make sure before you share the document, make sure you select PDF, okay, so that is, and also sharing the file, you can share the actual size or reduce it. Okay, the actual size is 0.6 MB. You can have it medium to reduce it. Click share. Now I give you option to share this via several platforms: email, WhatsApp, Yahoo Mail. So I'm going to share this via Outlook email. Okay, this document now is attached to my inbox. Okay, I'm going to type the email address of the person I want to send it to. I want to send this back to myself. Click send. Click OK. So this document now is sent to myself. Okay, pretty much our job is done here. The next thing we need to do is we need to go back. Okay, so you go to the inbox. Okay, go to the inbox and wait for this document we sent to the inbox. Here we go. This is the document. Okay, this note to self. This is the document sent to my inbox. Click it open. This is the document to scan and send to my inbox. Okay, so if you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. So we have been able to scan this document, printed it out, share and save. Okay, thank you. If you want, I also want to mention, if you want to know the document, where the document you save, you go to your file, go to your phone, my file. Okay, go to documents. Okay, and select, this is the document. Open it up. Okay, so this is the document we save. Okay, you can also check, you can use the date, or it will also tell you the particular time or the date you save the document. So this is how it works. You just need to go to your file. Okay, go to the file and check the document you save, where you save it, and this is the document here. Okay, thank you very much indeed, guys. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.